Now we will look at the end of year 2023 paper 3 Excel question. In this cell G2, enter the formula to show the current time. So G2, which is this cell, we enter in the formula now to find the current time. We have to make sure that the format is in time, and the format is the hour, minute, AM, PM format that the question wants us to do. And the next one is sort the sales table in alphabetical order by name. So we have this table here, and they are not sorted in alphabetical order. Now, how do we sort them? We select all the cells in this table. We go to data. We go to data. We select sort, because we want to sort by name. So we will select sort by name. Do not select customer ID, which is the default, because the question says sort by name. So we select sort by name and we click OK. And now notice that the name is in alphabetical order. That's all for now. The next one, we will discuss about question 4 and 5.